Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful makeup look that I did for my birthday. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids. Oh my god, guys, I went and I got my lashes done for the first time. I swear I was like uncomfortable. I was like, it was weird. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the pink shadow. You can use a hot pink shadow of any kind that you want. On this video, I am not going to be showing you guys what I use because I have no idea where these shadows from. So I'm just going to be using colors, and you guys can use whatever you guys have. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this hot pink shadow all over my crease, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in. And then I'm just going to go back and forth until I'm really satisfied with the intensity of the color. I really want it to be very bright, so that's why I went a few times. Then I'm going to go with a lighter pink just to blend that harsh line out. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you do want to try to blend as much as you can so it doesn't look too harsh or too crazy. So I do go back with this light pink and just kind of try to blend as much as I can. I am going to go ahead and apply a brow bone highlight. So I just want to make sure that it's kind of a little bit of blended, just so that it just blends in when I apply my highlighter from my brow bone. So I'm just going to go back and forth and just blend. Then I'm going to go ahead with a concealer. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit in the back of my hand, and I'm going to use this to cut the crease a little bit. I am using a flat brush, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start applying it onto my lid just to apply it to make that cut crease. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply a light lavendery shadow. This actually is a blush, and it's from the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette. It's very old, so I wanted to do something like light lavendery, so I used the blush to do that. So that's what I used here. I didn't show it as well, but like I said, you guys can use whatever you guys have. So then I'm just applying a shimmery brow bone color. Oh my god. Just to kind of make it pop a little bit. And then I'm just going to go back with that pink and then reapply it just to kind of make sure that everything is blended nicely. Then I'm going to go with this glitter from Urban Decay, and I'm going to apply this where I did the cut crease just to kind of brighten a little bit. And it's just a little bit more like I took a long time to do this makeup look, even though I didn't. But yeah, I feel like the glittery on the crease makes the look more like fancy. So you don't have to do that, but I mean, I feel like I wanted to be a little extra for my birthday, so that's what I did. I'm over here admiring the look. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more on the other side. I felt like it needed it because it wasn't really popping that much. So yeah. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and move on. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of eyeliner. This one is from Rimmel London, I believe. I will list it down below. I will list everything down below. The shadows, I cannot list them because they're just like random shadows that I added to a palette. So yeah, if you guys want to see that palette, I will definitely show it to you guys. I did add it to a Makeup Geek palette that you can like make your own. So yeah, then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to my bottom lashes because I cannot apply some to the top. It was really hard, you guys, to do my makeup with lashes already on, but I kind of like having lashes because I feel like it looks so pretty when you wake up. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do these liquid lipsticks. This one is from Shop Time Los Angeles. I'll list her down below. I wanted to add like a brown and then apply like a pink on top just to kind of give me an ombre look, but I ended up doing the whole lip kind of pinkish just because it went with the makeup look. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and apply this color first, and I'll list the name down below for you guys as well. So if you guys are interested, you guys can definitely get your hands on it. And I do have discount codes, so I'll list the discount codes as well. So after I went ahead and applied this one, I made sure that it was the way I wanted it. Then I applied the pink Ofra Cosmetics liquid lip. I actually wanted to do an ombre, but then I felt like I just wanted to do the whole lip, so I ended up doing my whole lip that color, leaving a little bit of that brown liquid lip to peek through, just as like a little lip liner moment. And then I just use my fingers to tap it just to blend it into the colors. Make sure everything is really nice and blended. And then I went ahead and applied another layer of that color and just kind of blended that out. This look was really simple and easy, and I felt really beautiful on my birthday. I turned 35 years young. Can't believe it. It's been like a journey. Like, I can't believe I'm 35. But yeah. So just blending it in a little bit more just to make sure everything's really nice and blended. Then I'm going to go ahead and set it with Milk Makeup Setting Spray just to lock it in for the whole day, because I wanted to be looking snatched all freaking day for my birthday. And then I decided that I wanted to add some shadow at the bottom lash line. I wasn't going to do it in the beginning, but I ended up choosing that I was going to. So I used the same hot pink shadow and then a little bit of that light pink shadow just to blend that out. And then for the inner corner, I did use the Gwen Stefani in the lavendery blush in the inner corners just a little bit. And yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Also, I upload all my videos on Instagram, so if you guys want to go ahead and check me out, I'll list everything down below. Love you guys. Bye.